Bamboo species are monocarpic, that is, flower generally only once in its lifetime after 50 to 100 years. Jackfruits, papaya, and mango are polyscopic, that means produce flowers and fruits many times in their lifetime. Offset is a vegetative part of plant formed by mitosis. Meiotic divisions do not occur in the somatic cells. Parthenogenesis is the formation of embryo from ovum or egg without fertilization. Parthenocarpy is the fruit formed without fertilization. Coconut has double endosperm with liquid endosperm and cellular endosperm. In potato, banana, and ginger, the plantlets arise from the nodes present on the modified stem. Sexual reproduction generates new genetic recombination leading to variations. Gemule and conidia are asexual propagules, thus no meiosis takes place in them. Megaspores are haploid, which are formed as a result of meiosis of diploid megaspore mother cell. Meiocyte is any cell that undergoes meiosis. Sexual reproduction always involves meiosis. Zygotic in case of haploid individuals and gametic in case of diploidic individuals. Meiosis results in crossing over between chromosomes during prophase 1, generating new recombinations. Besides, sexual reproduction generally involves combination of genes from two different organisms. The sexual reproduction generates new genetic combinations leading to variations. Isogamy is found in Spirogyra, in which both gametes are non-motile. In Chlamydomonas, all three conditions, isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy, are found. In Volvox and ficus, oogamy is present when non-motile egg fuses with motile sperm. Honey is produced by worker bees using nectar, means fructose, of flowering plants. The plant body sargassum is diploid sporophyte. It does not multiply asexually by means of spores. Instead, it reproduces vegetative by vegetative means, that is fragmentation, which is the only known method of vegetative reproduction in the free-floating species of sargassum. Sexual reproduction in algae takes place through fusion of two gametes. In Spirogyra, the gametes are similar in size, isogamy, and non-flagellated, non-motile. Onion is a simple tunicated layered bulb, while ginger is a straggling rhizome, uniparous cyme branching with a sympodial axis, while yeast reproduces by budding and Chlamydomonas by zoospores. Potato is the common example of stem tuber. It stores starch as reserve food material. The potato tubers are used for vegetative propagation. These possess axillary buds over their nodes or eyes. The buds produce new plantlets when a stem tuber or a part of it having an eye is placed in the soil. Vegetative propagation in Pistia occurs by offset. Offset are branches originated from the main stem, and upper portion of each branches is curved, bearing a group of leaves, while lower portion bearing roots. Each branch, when separated, can grow independent, forming a new plant. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by runner. They develop from the nodes of underground stem. It comes up obliquely above the ground in the form of shoots. Marginal notches in the calanchi and bryophyllum possess adventitious buds in their leaves for vegetative propagation. Vivipary is the condition when seeds germinate on the plant. It is an undesirable character for annual crop plants because germinated seeds cannot be stored under normal conditions for the next season. In oogamous type of sexual reproduction, the female gamete, ovum or egg, is big, passive, while male gamete is spermatozoids are smaller, active and motile. The attachment point of funicle and body of ovule is known as hilum. Central cell develops into a endosperm. Endosperm develops from fusion of secondary diploid nucleus with one male nucleus forming a primary endosperm nucleus PEN. Perisperm is persistent in some seeds like oyster, black pepper, and beetroot.